CRM and pipeline. Maybe you are somebody that people book appointments with you. Do you understand? People book appointments with you. You want them to be under pipeline or e-commerce business that people order. Do you understand? What you are going to do is that go to opportunities. When you come to opportunities, do you understand? You are going to create a pipeline, create new pipeline. So create pipeline. Call the pipeline e-commerce orders, for example, if you are doing e-commerce. So what are the stages you want in your pipeline? Maybe new order. If somebody should order, you should go to new order. New order. Do you understand? So after the new order, if they call the person and they confirm, write confirmed, as in the order is confirmed. Do you understand? So they took the light. So after confirmed, maybe the next is that maybe sometimes some orders will not be confirmed. Write not confirmed. Not confirmed. So not confirmed. So maybe after the order is confirmed, do you understand? Delivery agent is going to be sent to delivery agent. You are going to write sent to delivery agent. Sent to delivery agent. Do you understand? So maybe after that, delivered. Maybe delivery agent was able to deliver it. Do you understand? Or sometimes it can be postponed. Postponed. Do you understand? Or sometimes it can fail. Maybe the person is not collecting it. Failed. Do you understand? Just put everything you want here, all the stages you want in your business, and click on save. So the pipeline will be created for you. Wow, you can see e-commerce orders that have been created. If you come to opportunities here, you are going to see the pipeline. Wow. So when you have orders now, it's going to be in this new order. When they confirm it, they just move it to confirmed. If it is not confirmed, they move it to not confirmed. If it is sent to delivery again, they move it to this. If it is delivered, do you understand? You have all the stages there. Now let me tell you the powerful thing here. So if you go to site and you go to forms, under this form, you click on builder. You are going to build your form. You know, if people want to order or they want to request, they are going to build form. So you click on add form. So from scratch, let me just create a simple form from scratch. Maybe this form, maybe you are somebody selling health product, maybe ulcer killer. Just call it ulcer killer. Okay, the light is back. So ulcer killer, maybe this is your name. Maybe what you want from people is name, last name, phone number, or this one, you can remove it. So this time too, you can remove this one. This button, you can say place your order. I'll be order now. Order now. So maybe one other thing you need is address. You need address. You can just come here and grab address and put it here. So address is there. So this address, normally in Nigeria, we don't use. You can turn up the postal code. The country too, if you are selling to just Nigeria, you don't have to ask for country. So just address city and just like that. This autocomplete address, turn it off. It's not needed. So that's that. So maybe this is what you want people to feel. Do you understand? So create this form and save. Now let's go back. So this is the form you are going to insert inside your funnel. Do you understand? Maybe you are somebody who wants to do e-commerce business, you are selling product. This is the form you are going to insert inside your funnel. So when you insert this funnel, you are not going to go to automation again. You can see that we went to 3 places. The very first place that we created the pipeline under this opportunity. I like going back a little, not to cause confusion. We created this pipeline that these are the stages we want for our orders. Then we went to site to create the form people are going to be filling to buy our products. Now we are going to automation. So under this automation, I will create a workflow. Start from scratch. So now you add a trigger, and the trigger now is going to be form submitted. You can see form submitted. So when somebody submits a form, which form? You are going to select the form. The form is, now pick the form here, ulcer killer. So when somebody submits this form called ulcer killer, then we are going to trigger something. What do you want to trigger? You now add the second stage, opportunity. You want to create opportunity. You can see create and update opportunity. So in pipeline, so we want you to put this opportunity, create this opportunity inside pipeline called e-commerce orders. Remember, that's the name of our pipeline. You can have so many pipelines, so unlimited number of them. And the stage, you can see since I selected e-commerce orders as our pipeline, all the stages I created for Under this e-commerce orders, I have all the stages here. So I want it to be new orders. Immediately they submit the form, you should take it to what? New orders under the pipeline. The name of the opportunity source is not important. What is important is the cost of the product, and this is the opportunity value. Let's assume I'm selling for 18,000 naira that product. Do you understand? So status, I'm going to put it in open. Do you understand? Allow opportunity to move to any previous stage in pipeline. Yes. Allow duplicate opportunities. No. Maybe somebody submitted 2 times. It just be 1, because most people are just going to submit order 2 times and it doesn't matter. They are just ordering for 1. So I click on save action. So once I'm done with this, then I can just publish it and save. So when I'm done with this, let me go back. So let me go to site and grab our form. I'll click on this to see the recent ones. And this is also killer. Let me click on this and click on preview. I want to preview the form. Let's assume the customer wants to fill the form now, and the person fill the name Jamiu Adisa or something, the phone number, the email address of the person, the address, everything, the state, Lagos, and the person just fill this and order the product. Immediately the person order the product like this. Let me go to our pipeline and see. Immediately you're going to, wow, you can see Jamiu Adisa opportunity 40, because that's what I'm selling. Opportunity value 18,000 naira. So now anybody that is ordering your product, you're going to see 18,000 here. If they are 10 here now, it's going to be 180,000 naira. Maybe you come to this confirmed and you're going to see the total amount of opportunity you have. So maybe your call reps now, when they call this person, when you just click on it, you see the phone number there, you see everything. The reason is because I'm using VPN, so he's thinking that I'm in UK. Do you understand? That's why it's writing +444. So you can see the VPN here. Okay, so but the customer is going to be in Nigeria, it's going to be +234. So I can call this number now. I can see everything. So when I see it, do you understand? If I have note, maybe something, I can just go to note and drop note. And this is even important. Anytime your call rep calls somebody, you can ask them to put a note. So you are going to know the time the order comes in and the time they call. So if the order comes in maybe 1 o'clock and they are calling 1:30, that's too much. So just 5 minutes maximum, even 10 minutes maximum is enough for you to call the customer. So when you finish calling, you put the note there. Maybe after calling the customer, the customer confirmed the order. You just drag it to confirmed. Wow. Maybe after confirmed, you send it to delivery agent. Drag it to what? Send to delivery agent. Maybe, okay, send to delivery agent. Maybe after that time, send to delivery agent. Maybe the customer now, the delivery deliver it to the customer, delivered. Do you understand? If it failed, you just put it there. And you're going to be managing the pipeline like this. Imagine this now. You can create unlimited number of pipelines. So this is just pipeline for e-commerce orders. You can create another one. You can even create pipeline for each product. Instead of saying e-commerce order, you can create pipeline for each product and be assigning to different people. If you have 20, 30 employees, do you understand? You can be assigning the orders to them evenly. And if you want to be giving some people 2 and give some other people 1, 2:1, you can do it. Do you understand? Under this automation that we did, you want to be splitting the orders between them. Do you understand? You can do it. Simply is the workflow that we just did. You know, after creating the opportunity, you can click on this now. You can click on assign. Assign to user. You want to assign it to all your users. Do you understand? Assign to user. You can click on the user. Under this account now, we have 2 users. Temi Adelaja and Yusuf Adisa. I can assign it to both of them. I can say equally. I want to, as in when you give Temi 1, give Yusuf Adisa 1. When you give Temi 1, give Yusuf, that's equally. But if you want to do on even, you can say for every 3 orders you give to Temi, because this one is experienced sales rep, be giving Yusuf Adisa just 1. You can do it. Or you can do 2:1 as you like. Do you understand? When you are done with that, you just click on what? Save. Do you understand? So if Temi goes to his own dashboard, login, he's going to be seeing only his own order. If Yusuf Adisa goes to his own dashboard, he's going to be seeing only his own order. Imagine this kind of thing. This is a very robust system. So that's that. You can create CRM and pipeline.